Today we will learn how to give shake effect to text in Premiere Pro. First of all, create a text box with Type tool and type your text. Go to the Effect Controls panel and place it in center. Now search for Transform Effect in the Effect panel and drag and drop it. Now go to the Effect Controls panel. Make both the values 0 of anchor point and position. Make the skew value -6. Place the navigator on the first frame and turn on the toggle animation of the skew axis. And go to the last frame and make it 22 rounds of 360 degrees. And keep the shutter angle to 200. And it is ready. That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphics Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphics Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.